In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block iCloud spam iMessages on your iPhone 13, 13 Pro or later models. Spam messages can be a real nuisance, disturbing your day-to-day activities and cluttering your inbox with unwanted content. Fortunately, Apple's iOS offers a simple and effective way to manage these unwanted messages. So let's walk through the steps to block these pesky spam iMessages. First, unlock your iPhone and locate the Messages app on your home screen. The icon is usually green with a white speech bubble, so it should be easy to spot. Once you've opened the Messages app, you'll see a list of conversations. Your task is to navigate this list and find the conversation that contains the spam iMessage. It might be from an unknown number or a peculiar looking contact name that you don't recognize. After you've identified the spam iMessage, open the conversation thread by tapping on it. This will reveal all messages within that thread. Next, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find the sender's name or their phone number. Go ahead and tap on that name or number. This is an important step as it will provide you with more details and options regarding the sender. Once you've tapped on the sender's name or number, look for the small round information icon, usually depicted as an eye within a circle. Tap this icon to access the contact information page, where you have the option to take further action against the sender of the spam message. As you scroll down, you'll notice the option to block this caller. Tap on that and you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Blocking the caller will prevent any future messages or calls from this sender, helping to keep your iMessage inbox free of spam. Go ahead and confirm that you want to block the caller. Additionally, it's worth mentioning that if the message you received has a report junk option, it's a good idea to use this feature. By tapping the report junk link, your iPhone will send information about the unwanted message to Apple and the carrier. This helps Apple to improve their filtering system and prevents the sender from disturbing other users. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully blocked an iCloud spam iMessage and potentially contributed to a better messaging experience for yourself and other users. Remember, your digital privacy is important, and taking proactive steps like these can significantly reduce the influx of unwanted messages. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to share this guide with anyone you know who might be dealing with similar issues. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides in future videos.